Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I have a card kit unboxing for the June Flavor of the Month card kit from Scrapping for Less. This month the theme is at the beach and I love this kit. I think this is my favorite kit so far that I've been able to work with, and I think it is going to sell out quickly. So I'm going to show you what you get, and then you can run on over and place your order so you don't miss out on this wonderful card kit. So with every kit, you can go to the Scrapping for Less website, and all the links will be in the description box below, and you can print out the Flavor of the Month card kit listing of everything that's in the kit. So I'll put that to the side and I'll be able to tell you everything that's in the kit. With every kit, you also get a download that you can get on the website as well with 4 card sketches. And so you'll see some of the design team members use these card sketches. I often use some of them as inspiration as well, so stay tuned and see what I come up with. But let's jump into collection number 1. Collection number 1 contains 6 double-sided papers from the Summer Splash paper pad by Scrapbena, and these are the 6 that I got. Now, Scrapping for Less does break up the papers in the card kits, so you may get different papers, but of course I love this one with the pineapples. And on the back is this cute little beach scene cut apart. These gorgeous starfish with beautiful bright colors. I love the colors in this kit, or in this paper pad. Adorable little clothesline of all kinds of swimming and beach attire. This beautiful water paper. And on the back, some adorable fish and seahorses. And I think this paper would make a great masculine card. I love this colored wood grain paper. Excited to play with that one. And then you get some bottle caps on the back. This is a really fun overhead beach scene with the little scuba divers in the water, and then all of the people laying out on their towels at the beach. Love it. It's a really neat pattern as well, and then a striped pattern paper with some cut aparts on the back. So how fun is that? You also get some ephemera from the Scrapbena frames and tags. So these are the ones that I got. This little tag that says sun, relax, get in a flip-flop state of mind. So cute. Nothing soothes the soul like a day at the beach. This cute little fishy, and a flamingo with a pool floaty around its neck, which is absolutely adorable. You will also get some Scrapbena enamel dots, so colors may vary. I got the nice hot pink ones. Love those. And the Kennedy Grace sequins Summer Splash for collection 1. So the sequin packs always match the collections. These are really cool flat sequins. Love the colors, so bright and fun for summer. The stamp set for collection 1 is Avery L's Sea Prize, which is absolutely adorable with this little puffer fish, a little extra puff for all those candles, so great for a birthday card. You get the shark with the crown on his head or her head. Hope your birthday is swell. And then some extra elements, little bubbles and some waves and some fish that you can use to make your cards as well. How adorable is that stamp set? And of course you get 1 envelope with every collection. So that's collection number 1. Let's move on and take a look at collection number 2. Collection number 2 contains 6x6 pattern paper from Echo Park, Under the Sea. I love these starfish. Definitely a popular pattern this summer. I love that this collection has the dark navy blue. Beautiful scalloped kind of fish scale paper. These adorable little fish that remind me of the movie Finding Nemo. How adorable is that? And then some cut apart strips on the back of that piece of paper. This adorable submarine underwater sea piece of paper with some fish print on the back. Some submarines here. These would be cute as a background, but also you could cut these out and use them on your card. And on the back of that is a really pretty dark blue. It's almost like a underwater foliage type of pattern. That's what it looks like to me anyways. Some nice stripes. This would make a good masculine card. Some little crabs on the back of that, how cute. And then this adorable fish pattern with some beautiful wave print on the back. You'll also get some coordinating under the sea frames from Echo Park as well. Really cute, this little tag, you and me. A little underwater seaweed. This little tag I got that says aquarium. And then another tag that says under the sea. So again, the ephemera that you get will change with the kits. As I mentioned, they do break up everything, which is great. You get a little taste of multiple things. That's what I love about these kits. So you also get 3 wooden anchors. So I got a white one, a light blue one, and a bright darker blue. Love those. Excited to place those on some cards and see what I come up with that. The Kennedy Grace Sequins Collection number 2 package is really sweet. It's got the flat sequins as well, and then some shells in there. So that's going to be really fun. And this is called Under the Sea. You get the full-size vitamin C stamp set from Echo Park in this collection. So amazing value this month with this kit. I think they're one of the best valued kits out there, and this is going to be really fun to play with. So it has a bunch of fish and a jellyfish, the submarine, the crab, and some sentiments. I love the Just Keep Swimming. So that's the stamp set, and there's collection number 2. For collection number 3, you get 6 one-sided pattern papers from Little Darling Rubber Stamps, and this is You Are My Sunshine. So this really cute beach ball and lifesaver ring pattern paper. Some waves. Really beautiful, bright, sunny circle pattern. Some water droplets. I got this plaid print paper, and then these really pretty bubble papers. In this collection, you also receive a Gina Marie die, which is absolutely amazing. So this is the Adirondack chair die. How cute is that? Loving that they've added a die into one of the main collections for the Double Dip Sunday. You get some poolside or pool characters puffy stickers. I love this little one that I got, the seal in the life floaty or just water floaty with the popsicle, and the funny little seagull with the goggles and the jellyfish. So cute. Totally my style. Love those. The You Are My Sunshine Kennedy Grace sequin pack. Again, these are flat sequins. The color in this is absolutely gorgeous with the oranges and the peach and the various blue colors. Absolutely beautiful. The sequin packs this month are some of my favorite as well. The stamp set is an exclusive by Little Darling Rubber Stamps, and this is called Just Beachy. Look at these adorable little critters. So you get the seals, a turtle, a crab. There's 3 different faces that you can use for the crab or the turtle. Some nice sentiments, sending you sun kisses and warm wishes, and sealed with a kiss. And then various beach elements that you can use to make some really cute beach summer themed cards. So adorable. Loving that stamp set. So there is collection number 3. Collection number 4, you'll get pattern paper from Sweet Summer by Doodlebug. You guys know I love Doodlebug, always excited to see Doodlebug in the Scrapping for Less kits. So I got this green grass paper, which I love and think is very versatile. Cute little images on this pattern paper. Some really nice bright stripes. On the back of that is some flower patterned paper, the palm trees, and on the back is a brown, very muted, really good neutral piece of paper with the palm trees on the back as well. It's really pretty polka dot paper with some cut aparts, so fun. Some fruit, and of course there's pineapple on there, so you know I love that. Some orange paper with polka dots and this adorable sun pattern paper, and on the back are some waves. You'll also get some of the mini icons from the Doodlebug collection as well. So these are the little ones that I got. And then some dolphin and gem stickers will come in your pack as well. These are really cute and shiny. So how fun are those? The sequins Sweet Summer, really pretty. Like the colors in these are just absolutely beautiful. I love the blues and the browns with the pink and the peach color. So pretty, goes perfectly with the collection. In collection number 4, you get another exclusive to the kit stamp set by Sunny Studio. This one is called Sending Sunshine, and the sentiment sending you hugs or sending you sunshine with the little parrot and the palm tree. So cute. So fun that they put exclusive stamps in the kit that you can't get anywhere else. So next I will show you the banana split contents for the add-on or the highest level of the kit. So for the banana split level, you'll get the exclusive stamp set from Scrapping for Less called At the Beach Sentiment Set. The sentiments are "Ah, an ocean breeze soothes the soul," "Happy Beach Day," so cute, "Let's head to the beach," "Salty water heals everything," "Sandy toes takes away the woes," and "Just breathe." And then you get the little cocktail and the pair of flip-flops. Absolutely adorable. The die for this month is the Ocean Waves Accent Dies by Lawn Fawn. These will cut out little slits in your water scenes so you can stick images in them. Love those dies. You will get a mini ink cube of various colors by Little Darling Rubber Stamps. And so the one that I got is In Your Face Orange. Love the name of that. And then you'll get some Sweet Summer by Doodlebug Chit Chat. So here are the ones that I got in my package. Cute, cute, cute. And a couple little flowers as well. And then you get a little candy, of course, which is always appreciated. So let's take a look at the cardstock for this month. So same with every month's kit, you will get 2 sheets of Nina 110 pound smooth white Solar Crest cardstock. This is good for Copic coloring, so it's great that they include those in the kit. All of the cardstock is from My Favorite Things, and you get a sheet of blue raspberry, Night Shift blue, orange fizz, limeade, red hot, and razzleberry. So great colors this month to play with. And look in your kit for an extra sticker sheet within the cardstock. And I got these Doris stickers. There's 31 pieces. These adorable little beach stickers. So how fun is that you get a full size sheet of stickers this month. So that's the card kit this month, everyone. Stay tuned for some projects using the kit, and run on over and grab your kit before it sells out. I am in love with this one. So I think Scrapping for Less totally knocked it out of the park this month. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.